Welcome back, guys, to the channel. Wanted to bring you some updates around Jasmy coin. Now, if you've been following my channel and got into this, you probably made some pretty decent gains, but is there more to come? Well, it kind of keeps blowing my mind that there is even more being developed in the background, as well as some important things coming out from the development team around Jasmy. So I'm going to break it all down in this quick update video for you. So if you're into Jasmy, be sure to subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with everything going on. Also, smash a like on the video. It supports the algorithm, supports the channel, and does all that good stuff. Right, let's get into this one. So currently Jasmy down 5.35%. We take a look at the broader cryptocurrency market, though. We saw Bitcoin dump 6%. What's the view? We're pricing in that 25 basis points coming in less than 24 hours. So we'll see how that all pans out. But currently trading at the 633 level. Now, market cap 300 million. They rank 109. Could break a top 100 cryptocurrency very, very soon, which would be super exciting from where it's been. $47.6 million in volume and is certainly moving in the right direction. So what is going on? Without getting into too much detail right now, we've seen Hara continuing to make some waves in the space. Pleased to announce the launch of a practical NFT for the club from DMCC, a Japanese startup project that operates a world's first metaverse club. Hara, Jasmy CFO, will be participating in this project and advisor, and congrats. Now, people might think, well, okay, it's got nothing to do with Jasmy, but this is Hara networking, getting out there. Remember, all these guys came from Sony, top tier tech jobs, to come together to create the Jasmy token, launch Jasmy Grounds, the foundation, a number of other parts to it. So actually getting into some of these early and, more importantly, Japanese-based projects is actually a very good and sensible thing for Jasmy to do. And I think it's a very worthwhile part that they're A, supporting their own kind of projects, but B, linking in with people that certainly could either A, utilize the Jasmy blockchain and what the Jasmy are building out, and at the same time can offer a, kind of fundamental support of the Jasmy ecosystem. So I think it's some great news that we are seeing. In other news, we saw Jasmy receive another bullish rating from Investors Observe. Now, again, you might be thinking, what the hell are you talking about, 2bit? Well, this is important because what it shows is a trajectory of price, a continuation of a positive price movement without significant volatility, which is always a good thing to have in any cryptocurrency project. Look, everybody is buying Pepe right now, Bobo, Wall Street Bets, whatever it is. Everyone's buying that with massive volatility. What you want is a slow and steady rise with a solid foundation underneath it. So it says Jasmy gets a bullish rating from Investor Observe Thursday. The token is down 0.27% to the 6557 range, while the broader crypto market is down 2.25. We can argue and say exactly the same right now. 4.6 is where we currently sit. 4.7 is BTC, as well as a number of other coins that were significantly further down today. So I think it's a positive step in the right direction. What does it support? Price levels. It supports the sentiment score, provides a quick short-term look at the crypto's recent performance. So again, a positive step in the right direction. And one of the other big things before I get into the kind of Web3 promise data democratization, which is the fundamental key of Jasmy, I wanted to just, for anyone who's not sure about it, I'm so excited about this, let you know exactly what's going on. So we talked a little bit about this in a couple of previous videos, but these are the amount and certainly the percentages of supply that exchanges hold as of the 30th of April. Bear in mind that was yesterday. You can see there Binance holding 27.28% of the supply, with Bitport, Gate.io, KuCoin, Mexi, Crypto.com all wrapping up a further 10%. In total, 40.45% of the entire supply of Jasmy coin is held on exchanges right now. So super interesting fact, particularly when you're thinking about a stabilized floor, you're thinking about positive price movement, as well as investment in the future. With some of these big exchanges, they hold big amounts because they know the potential that's coming. In my opinion, obviously you've always got to do your own research to understand it, but like we said, moving up in the CMC rank, and we're currently on 118,000 watch lists of on CoinMarketCap as people look to to get into opportunities with Jasmy. Now, finally, the Web3 promises data democratization but demands optimism. This is an article by Presswire and actually came out earlier on today. And you can see here that it's fundamentally brought together by the Jasmy management structure, and particularly talks about what Jasmy is all about. Now, I'm not going to go fully through this article because it does basically talk a little bit about what they're doing, but a couple of real key points will be things like Web3 is ready to make this happen, fueled by its blockchain efficiencies as industries watches, wait, and track the unfolding Web3. It must be understood that 2023 could be the landmark year for Web3 adoption, starting with business to business and e-commerce sellers developing better marketing strategies. How do they develop marketing strategies? They use data from people. It's the oldest trick in the book of how you build out marketing strategies. You want to understand what the consumer is trying to buy or what the consumer is trying to look like. Imagine then that being monetized, but monetized at your desire. That means you can ultimately be the custodian of your data, whereas right now, well, everyone just clicks accept all, don't they, on the cookies. So I think it's very, very important. And again, it's a niche in the market that no one else is doing that Jasmy continues to build out. So take a look at the price, like we said. Currently, the 4.7s holds off this 6000 line that we drew. And actually, we've been away from that for quite some time. Now, the broader market's pushed down as we expect the Fed rates coming in less than 24 hours. But we could see a positive reversal on this. The MACD, we want to start to see trend. Likewise, we want to start to see this 9 push up here, come across at the 20, and then break through the 50 as this comes down, and Jasmy starts to push on back. Getting up to kind of this, 6, 7, even topping out the 7s would be our next major line, really. Somewhere up here, 7014, probably a key bit. A couple of points to get through so far. 6, 7 would be another one that we'd be looking to get through, as well as probably this higher point of the 6492. So some interesting levels for Jasmy, but they continue to build out. They continue to work hard. They're developing what they've got. I'm excited about Jasmy. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about Jasmy Coin? And as ever, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, leave a like on the video. It supports the channel. Subscribe if you want more. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.